Next is we have to complete second layer. Here, this is our targeted picture. It should be look like this. Just look it how and all it will be appeared. So this is our target. Only in this you will observe only one single step. You know that we already learning from the white side. So the first color which you did, that is you have to place it bottom side. Then in the 3 into 3 Rubik's, this is also we considered as a third goal. In this third goal we will finish second layer. When we are going to finish second layer, which is located, you have to locate the upper layer. When you are looking the upper layer, just observe the center of the upper layer. When you observe the center of the upper layer is yellow, so don't touch any yellow colors. Why? Because means this all yellow colors are belongs to the upper layer. So other than yellow colors you have to touch. Just look it here, you will observe one color here, blue and red. You will observe another one here on the upper side. You will observe red and green and red and green. Next one you will observe blue and saffron. So totally 3 colors are placed on the upper side itself. This 3 when you will observe red and green, red and green, red and blue, and saffron and blue. This 3 you will observe. One more is located on the middle layer itself. So here you can observe. So this is placed in the middle layer. So in this scenario, when you will observe, what you have to do means you have to do first you have to do blue color, means upper layer, which and all located on the upper side. That is you have to do. When you are doing, what you have to do means first I will go with red and blue. That red and blue, when you are doing, the red which is facing your side, that is you have to match with their center, the red center. So if any color, when you are doing if you are doing like green and red, that should be matched with green and red, whatever. Select one color. So here red and blue. When you are placed red and blue, just you have to know that the blue where it have to place. This blue color, this cube is belongs to this side, means on the left hand side of the second layer. So you know that where it have to place. Then what you have to do means oppositely you have to rotate, means u dash, l dash, u, l, u, f, u dash, f dash. That's it. Just look it for other colors. So here we have one more color, green and red. When we have green and red, same thing you have to do. It have to place to their center, green and red. You know that green is facing our side and red is on the upper side. This cube as belongs to on the left hand side. So this have to go for left hand side. So due to the sake, what you have to do means you have to rotate oppositely, u dash, l dash, u, l, u, f, then u dash, f dash. So we placed it. Then just look at other color. So here we have one more color, blue and saffron. Just take and go to the blue center. So after placing this, have to placed on once again on the left hand side. So when it is on the left hand side, means oppositely you have to rotate, u dash, l dash, u, l, u, f, u dash, f dash. So we placed it. Just look it. We placed it. Then one more color here, it is remained, green and saffron. Green and saffron. This one. This green and saffron, same thing. That green and saffron you have to take and go to the center of the saffron. Then you have to use same formula, u dash, l dash, u, l, u, F, U dash, F dash. So we finish second layer. Even few scenarios will. Okay, just look at other scenarios. On other scenarios you will get. If it is you learned until now which and all have to place on left hand side, we have to use another formula. But in few cases even you have to do on the right hand side. For that, what you have to do means this formula you have to use. So after placing this one, this cube have to go for here. So for this, when it have to go for right hand side, you have to use U, R, U dash, R dash, U dash, F dash, U, F. So this is, you have to use the formula. So after doing this, so this is in this manner, it will go for when it is located on the right hand side. In one more scenario, you just look at the middle layer here. In this case, what you have to do means if you edges, it is in the middle layer itself. In that cases, what you have to do means you have to use same formulas, but don't use if it is located left hand side means just use left hand formula, and if it is located on the right hand side means just use right hand side formula, but don't use upper side formula means U dash or F dash, don't want that. So this, in this case, what you have to do means you have to use R, U dash, R dash, U dash, F dash, U, F. Like this you have to do. After doing this, it is placed on the upper layer. After placing on the upper side, then you have to, what you have to do means same thing, you have to place on the right hand side. So due to the sake, what you have to do means you have to rotate oppositely, means you have to do U, R, U dash, R dash, U dash, F dash, U, F. So like this you have to do. That's it. We finish second layer.